Good day to each and everyone. By the way, I am Zabrel Abella, and for this video, I'm going to discuss the topic that I have learned starting from prelim up to this final. We will tackle about psychology, theory of cognitive development, the true and false self, and etc. First, what is psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and mental processes. In psychology, we have here the four goals, which are describe, explain, predict, and modify. Psychology is concerned with how individuals develop and mature at different life stages. Consciousness, memory, and reasoning. How we think, behave, and feel in certain situations. Mental health and mental illnesses, character strengths, coping, happiness, and well-being. Theory of cognitive development deals with the nature of knowledge itself and how humans come to acquire it. Three basic components of Piaget's theory. The first is schema, the building blocks of knowledge. It describes both the mental and physical actions involved in understanding and knowing. Schemas are categories of knowledge that help us to interpret and understand the world. Second, adaptation. It is how child's learning process meets the situational demands. It is the process by which humans match the original experience and the new experience, and this may not fit together. The third is the stages of cognitive development. It reflects the increasing sophistication of the child's thought processes. Object permanence, the ability to realize that objects still exist when they are not being sensed. Animistic thinking, believing that inanimate objects that are alive. Egocentrism, not being capable of seeing things from another person's perspective. Conservation, it recognition that when some properties, such as shape of an object, change, other properties such as volume remain constant. From this moment, we will tackle about the I self and me self. But first, we will know who is the father of American psychology. The father of American psychology is William James. He introduced this me-self and I-self. When we say I-self, it is the sense of being the agent or initiator of behavior, being unique, being continuity in a sense of awareness. It represents the individual's identity based on the response to those social behaviors and expectations. While this me-self, it includes the material, social, and spiritual. In other words, it corresponds to the self as an object of experience. Humanist psychologist Carl Rogers believed that self-concept is made up of three different parts. Ideal self. The ideal self is the person you want to be. This person has the attributes or qualities you are either working toward or want to possess. It's who you envision yourself to be if you were exactly as you wanted. The real self is who you actually are. And lastly is congruence, an alignment of real self and ideal self. You are not here to make others understand you. You are here to understand yourself. Know yourself. Be yourself. Trust yourself and love yourself. That's all. And thank you and have a good day to each and everyone.